Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with a remote learning and teaching process to bridge the gap. Happy learning to you all, dear students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the lesson 3 of standard 10, that is physiography and drainage. Let us revise what we have learned in the previous video. We have learned about the 5 physical divisions of India, that is the Himalayas, the Indian plain, the plateau region, the coastal plain and the Indian islands. Today we will continue the lesson by studying the physical divisions of Brazil. Introduction. Here we are able to see the map of Brazil. It shows different states. We also can find the neighboring countries of Brazil. We can see the Atlantic Ocean in the eastern part of Brazil. Now Brazil is a country located in the continent of South America. It is the 5th largest country in the world in area wise. It is located in northern, southern and western part of the earth. This country got its name from a tree named Brazil wood. Large part of Brazil is occupied by highlands, plateaus and small mountains. High and long extending mountains are not located in Brazil. Except for the northern Amazon basin and in southwest along the upper part of Paraguay basin, there are no wide plains in the country. Even the coastal plains are restricted in their expanse. Brazil is a very big country. It is divided into different physical divisions. The 5 divisions of Brazil are the highlands, the great escarpment, the coastal region, the plains and the island group. This map is showing us the different physical divisions of Brazil. Now let us learn all the physical divisions of Brazil in detail. The first one is the highlands. The southern Brazil is being occupied by the plateau region, which is a very big plateau. And this plateau is known as the Brazilian Shield or Brazilian Highland. The next one is the Guiana Highland. Now the main part of Guiana Highland is in Venezuela and it extends up to French Guiana. In Brazil, it is covering the states of Roraima, Para and Amapá, which is in the north. And the lower part of this highland, it is found in Brazil. There is a peak which is called the highest peak in Brazil, called as Pico de Neblina, and this peak has got a height of about 3014 meters, which is located between the borders of Brazil and Venezuela. Now the region to the east and to the south of Brazilian highland have got an altitude which is more than 1000 meters. The other part of the highland has got a altitude about 500 to 1000 meters. Now the highlands, they gradually slope towards the north and the slope is not very steep. Let us see about the next important physical division of Brazil, that is Great Escarpment. When we look at the map over here, we are able to see the Great Escarpment in the southeastern part of Brazil. This region occupies a very small area, but the nature of its slope and the effect which it has on the climate, it makes a separate physiographical division. The height of this region or height of this escarpment is only 790 meters and
the height goes on decreasing gradually. The escarpment, it acts as a barrier to the southeast trade winds, giving rise to the rain shadow region in the northeastern part of Highland. And this region, which is the rain shadow region, is known as a drought quadrilateral, where the rainfall is very less.
The next physical division of Brazil is the coast. To the eastern part of Brazil lies the Atlantic Ocean. Brazil has got a very long coastline, about 7,400 kilometers. And therefore, this coast has been divided into two parts, that is the northern coast and the southern coast. The northern coast is extending from Amapá province in the north to Rio de Grande do Norte in the east, and this can be called as a North Atlantic coast. The northern coast is actually being characterized by the mouths of many other rivers as well as the mouth of Amazon river, and therefore you can find this region is a low-lying plain. On this coast there is also a Maranhão island and Maranhão and Sao Marcos Bays. Maranhão is a large coastal island which is located between the mouth of river Amazon and river Tocantins. Now the eastern coast, you will find there are many small rivers meeting the Atlantic Ocean. The only big river which meets the Atlantic Ocean is Sao Francisco. Now the Brazilian coast is also being characterized by large number of beaches and sand dunes complexes. And the Brazilian coast is also protected in some areas by coral reefs as well as atoll islands. The fourth physical division of Brazil is the plains. The plains of Brazil are confined to two areas, namely the Amazon basin in the north and Paraguay-Parana source region in the southwest. Now this Amazon plains are lying between two highlands and this form the largest plain of Brazil. Now the width of this Amazon plain is wide towards the west. It is about 1,300 kilometers and it is narrow towards the east. Now this width is about 240 kilometers where Guyana highland and Brazilian highland come closer. Now as the river approaches the Atlantic Ocean, the width of the plain goes on increasing. There are mostly forest areas and largely inaccessible due to frequent flooding and dense undergrowth. Most of the Amazon plains are covered by the tropical rainforest. Now the other plains of Brazil, they are located in southwestern part of highland and they have been formed due to Parana and Paraguay rivers. Pantanal is one of the largest wetland in the world and it lies towards the southwestern part of highland area. It is a region of swamps and marshes in the northwestern Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil and it extends in Argentina too. The next important physical division of Brazil is the Brazilian islands. Other than the mainland, some islands are also being found in Brazil and they can be classified into coastal island and marine islands. Most of the coastal islands, they have been formed due to the deposition. That is, when the rivers deposit their sediments at the banks, a land is being formed which is called as an island and this is called as a coastal island. Marine islands were a part of the mainland and they are more than 300 kilometers away from the mainland in the Atlantic Ocean. These islands are mostly rocky and they are the top of the submerged mountains, that is they have been formed by the mountain tops And the island near the coast of the South Atlantic Ocean, they are coral islands and they are also called atoll islands. Now, what is the meaning of atolls? Atoll is a ring-shaped reef, island or chain of the island formed of corals. Example is Bikini in the Pacific Ocean. So children, today we have learned all 5 physical divisions of Brazil, that is the highlands, the great escarpment, the coastal region, the plains and the islands. I hope you have understood all the 5 divisions of Brazil. Now today's assignment for you is mark all physical divisions of Brazil on the map of Brazil. Write and learn the short notes of all 5 divisions of Brazil. Thank you.